Oh, good morning everyone. Welcome to another Study With Me video. It is currently 9:08. I've been awake for like an hour and a half. I've watched a few YouTube videos and scrolled on Instagram so far. Having my morning coffee. I was about to start editing a video that I recorded last night on my first tech review, but I want to show you something cool. So since this whole COVID season, I'm gonna call it, started, I have had these periods of productivity going up and down. So it's really hard to just stick to one schedule or one thing because there is no external forces making me work, which has been quite difficult if I'm honest. Almost every morning, I at least try to do this every morning. I just write down like a few things that are in my head. It's kind of like a diary, but not really. And yesterday I wrote about this fact of feeling unproductive and not being able to get anything done. So one of the things that I concluded is that it is easier for me to have some sort of routine in my day if I create a calendar. So I have looked on YouTube to see how I can better use my Google Calendar. And I'm gonna show you now, because before I would have lectures on this, but I never really used it for other things. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing now. And as you can see here, is it clear? I think so. I put like a wake up event on my calendar now every day or every weekday, and also a sleep event. So everything that I do with my day has to be planned between waking up and sleeping. And I've all divided them all in the different calendars as well. So blue is medical stuff. This used to be my lectures, but I don't have any anymore. Holidays, birthdays, my workouts, personal things like practicing piano, like dentist appointments, things like that, and YouTube, blog, and podcasting. So I've color coded everything now, and yeah, it's way easier for me now to see, like today's a Tuesday at 10. I'm expected of myself to do this study group presentation, because my plan is to, with a few friends, to do a weekly presentation each on one topic in medicine, because it's so hard to just keep all of the knowledge that we've learned over the past 4 to 5 years and have it like ready to go. So we're gonna do a test for 2 weeks to see if we can create these presentations weekly, just like a short 20-minute presentation, and then we present it to each other over like Google Hangouts or Zoom or whatever. Yeah, yesterday I tried it for the first time and I really enjoyed looking at this thing and just doing what it says. Just stupidly looking at the screen and just thinking, okay, it's 3 o'clock, I have to practice the piano. And then at 4 I had the meeting, and then at 5 I was writing the video, which I then later last night recorded. So I'm gonna try it today and the rest of the week and see how that goes, and if it's something that I'm going to do often, I will do a more in-depth video on what works for me and how you can start doing this too. But now it is 9:14. I'm actually not scheduled to do anything now, so I'm just gonna get a head start on this video. Oh, my SD cards are full and I'm now uploading them on the computer, which is taking a little while because I never clean them, and then all of a sudden I have to dump all of the file on the footage, and then all of my external hard drives are full. So this is taking a bit longer than I hoped, but it is 10 to 10 and I'm gonna take a shower and yeah, work on the next work block, which is the study group thing. So let me take a shower first. And we are done, all showered. And yeah, it's 10 o'clock now, so I'm going to start the study group studying for about an hour. I think I will do a bit of neurology. Neurology is definitely not one of my strongest subjects yet, but my next rotation was supposed to be in neurology for 5 weeks, so I'm just gonna go get a head start, watch some videos on YouTube, study some from the book, and get started on the presentation. I'll keep you posted on how that goes. Okay, it is time for breakfast. It is 11:04. I've studied for an hour, so I already met my goal of the day. And in an hour, like, it's easy to look at this hour and feel like I haven't done enough, because it is true. There is so much to learn always, but we can't start out like that, because that way I will be not motivated to keep studying. So an hour is good. I'm happy. Okay, time for breakfast. Okay, the thumbnail is this one, tech review. I've kind of changed up the thumbnail a bit because I'm still experimenting with thumbnails. This is what I used to do, but now it's big and you can read it, but when I make it smaller, like you see them on YouTube, you can quickly see that it's not possible to read, or you have to be very interested to want to click. And then this, I think, is a bit more clear. People can see what they get with this video, and it looks kind of better put together, at least. So I'll keep experimenting with thumbnails, but I'm quite happy with this one. Alright, I am about 90% done with this first tech review. It is the first tech review that I'm doing. By the time that this video is online, it's probably already online, so I'll put it here in the thing. But yeah, that was fun. I bought these IKEA smart lights, and that's what I'm reviewing in that video. And it is only 1:23 right now. According to my schedule, I have until 3:30 to do this, and it's only 1:30. So I think I'll try and play the keyboard for an hour, because I'm really looking forward to that. I'm really crap at it still, but it's fun. It's fun to learn. Okay, so I can't put this in with original music because it will be demonetized, but instead of playing the piano, I've been trying to learn this choreography on YouTube, and it's by Sabrina Claudio, Frozen, which is a great song. It's a great choreo, and I'm just putting it on speed 0.75 to kind of learn the choreography. Okay, it's gonna look super dumb without music, but bear with me.
Don't have to do anything. The scent of skin is strong enough. Huddle a little bit closer.
I'm getting ready to go outside. It is 3:45 right now, and I haven't been outside today. So I'm picking up my girlfriend from the station, because she is joining me here. And yeah, I'm gonna enjoy the sun for, it's like a 20-minute walk, so I'm gonna go on a 40-minute walk, and then I'll play some piano because I'm gonna show her what I've learned so far. A little Beethoven, very poor version of it. I'm gonna play for her, and yeah. Oh, it's such great weather. I'm not even wearing a jacket. Ooh, oh, what a treat. I'm listening to a podcast at the same time. The Not Overthinking podcast by Ali Abdaal, who you probably know if you're watching my video, because he is a big study tuber who actually also, he grew so quickly on YouTube. I think his first attempt at like using YouTube as a platform for business, like doing it seriously, was only 2 years ago, in 2018, I believe. So yeah, man, sick. Listening to the episode 68 Bits of Unsolicited Advice. Okay, it is 8 o'clock right now, and I actually feel like doing some more work because I only barely got started on this spina bifida clinical picture, and yeah, I feel like I can do another hour or so of working until we go out for grocery shopping, because if we would have gone like 2 hours earlier at like 6 o'clock, we would be standing in line. People don't really in that shop don't really like care about keeping distance, so if it's too busy, it's really no point in going. So we're going in probably like an hour. It closes at I think 9:30. So yeah, I'm gonna do some work, and then we'll get some grocery shopping, and then that's it. That's the end of the day. That's the end of this semi-study with me video. I'm just gonna end the video here and end it with a time lapse. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Be my 11th subscriber, please. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video.